If you didn't know by now, I am addicted to fabric. But I have to find fabric that will complement the cowl neck style. Polyester, cotton blend, or this thin kind of loose fabric, delicate will work. Any of these, but these are pretty see-through. I'm still going to make some with this kind of fabric, but I'll use camisole up under. Let me see. Let me try to find the ideal fabric. Ideal would be, oh my goodness, this is so freaking stuff. Jersey knit. This will be ideal also. This would be ideal also. But again, it's thin and I need to put some up under. Oh, I know. This is polyester cotton blend. Yes, this is perfect. I'm going to show you a very simple way to make a cowl neck pattern for a cowl neck shirt. Measure the length from your neck to the waist, to how far you want your jacket or shirt to go. This is my measurement. I want my shirt long so I can add an inch cuff at the bottom. Next, measure the length you want the shirt to hang. Measure how far you want your cowl neck to hang. From your neck to your chest. So I'm measuring from my neck to the beginning of my breast. But I'm going to add an inch for the cuff. So that's 7 inches. Simple as that. I'm cutting out the back and the front at the same time. For the back, you want to allow 1 inch seam allowance for the collar. Just trace and cut. So I put 2 folded pieces on my cutting desk. One for the front, one for the back. For the back, I'm just going to cut right here. Measure the front. And for the back, measure, mark right here and cut it. I'm cutting 4 layers out, which equals a front and a back. Now remember, you don't want the back as long as the front. So when you get to this part, and you know the bottom part is the back, just cut through the first 2 layers for the front. And this is the front. The tabs for the cowl neck. And get to the back. You want it 1 inch for the pleat. See where I marked it earlier? Just go up here and cut across here. And cut across there, and you'll be through with your cutting. And it's done. This is a 2X cowl neck.